everyone, my name is Subhashri and welcome to my channel. My today's recipe is a super yummy Bengali traditional begun bhaja or fried eggplant. I will give you all the tips and tricks to make a perfect yummy crispy begun bhaja. So please do try the recipe this way and let me know how it works out for you. My channel all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. To make begun bhaja, first I'm going to chop the eggplant. For that here I have taken one large eggplant about 750 grams. First we will take the end off like this way and then we will chop this into half-inch discs. We do not want to cut this into too thin or too thick pieces, just half-inch is good for this recipe. I have chopped all the begun into disc-shaped pieces. Now I have taken a container with some water and now I will soak the begun or the eggplant in this water for 5 minutes. Now we will make the masala for our begun bhaja. Here I have taken an empty container and I will be adding 3 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 2.5 teaspoons red chili powder, you can adjust based on your spice level, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, half a teaspoon of sugar. The sugar really helps in making the begun soft, so please do add that, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we will mix all of this really well together and this will be our masala that we will be coating the begun with. I had kept the begun soaked in water for 5 minutes. Now I have drained the water out and washed the begun again thoroughly. Now we will take each of the eggplant or begun pieces and coat that really well with the masala and set that aside. So go ahead and do this for all the eggplant or begun. I have coated all the begun or eggplant pieces with the masala. Now we will set the begun aside for 5 to 10 minutes before we start to fry. The begun will give out some moisture that will really help the masala to stick well with the begun. Now we will start making our begun bhaja or fried eggplant. For that here I have taken a frying pan and I will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. First heat up the oil really well. The oil is now hot. Now I will gradually add the begun pieces in the oil. The masala has been really nicely coated now with the begun. Now we will fry each side for 2 to 3 minutes at a medium-low flame and then flip to the other side and fry that similarly. Now go ahead and fry the begun pieces in this way. We have fried one side for about 3 minutes. Now I will flip this over to the other side and fry the other side also for 3 minutes. So go ahead and do that for all the begun pieces. I have fried the other side as well. Now all these begun pieces are nicely fried. Now go ahead and fry all of the remaining begun or eggplant pieces in a similar way. Our begun bhaja is now completely ready. It tastes super yummy with a hot bowl of rice or khichdi or just by itself. So please do try the recipe this way and let me know how it works out for you. Thank you so very much for watching my channel.